Welcome back to Les Channels. I'm on my way to a spot where I think we won't be bothered for quite a while. So we're gonna head up there and see if we can get some practice in. I think I figured out a better camera position so that way you guys can see outside of the windows and stuff like that. And I'm gonna kind of hang it right up here, and that should give you guys a better view. Yeah, I've been listening to a lot of the drift OGs out there, so all the drift gods imbue your power into me, so that when we get to the spot, you know, we can pull some stuff off. They are running some type of marathon here. I don't know what it is, but I don't know if you guys can see. They're like a marathon, and they have a whole bunch of like trash trucks and whatnot blocking off the road, but that will not stop us. Let us go. Whatever, just go do it. Easy pass only. Don't go use ticket, man.
Keep right. Stay the course.
We had to reroute. We had to reroute because of the marathon that's going on. So we are going to be going through the Holland Tunnel, and there is just a lot of traffic. Now I'm going to try and I'm going to stick the camera way out here so you guys can see what I'm talking about. Crazy, right? Let's get to where we're going to. Buddy. Now you know we gotta cause some mischief in this tunnel, right? Had a little bit of a practice run. Somebody's flying some plane overhead, little airplane overhead. Buddy, come on. drift OGs. Let's go. Quicker on the wheel. And I'm gonna pause for a second, try and set up the drone, make sure nobody's coming, and then let's go again. Definitely nobody's gonna bother us here, but I do need to watch out for my tires and make sure that we do not, well, we're able to get home. check my tires. Get back with you guys. Somebody else down this road. Got a lot of dirt that went in here, but you know, I haven't gotten a chance to use launch control, so we're going to use launch control. We cannot do that with the crappy tires we have at all. At all. Whew, that about does it. That is going to be it for the video. Guys, thank you to all the drift gods who bestowed their power upon me in order for me to be able to do what I just did. If you like the video, please like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one.